Hey, it's Regina from Eat Travel Life. Today we're making chicken parm in a blanket. Let's go ahead and get started. Preheat your oven to 400. These are the ingredients you're going to need. We're going to bake it for 20 minutes on one side and flip over our chicken patty and bake it for another 20 minutes on the other side. Once they're done, we're going to go ahead and cut them into chicken strips. Oh my goodness, I cannot say it today. So cut them into strips because we are going to roll them up in our croissants. So don't forget to take a snack either. Go ahead and roll out your dough, and we're going to want to cut it into strips so that we can wrap them around each of the strips that we've made. Now, if you have chicken strips, you can make them bigger if you want. I didn't. I used just a patty. You could also use chicken nuggets as well. And if you don't want breaded, you could also use grilled chicken, but make sure that it is cooked completely. So go ahead and cut it into strips. Think about what you're doing because I was like, okay, how am I going to do this? You don't want to cut them too thick. A ½ inch thick is perfect. And I did this a few different ways. You'll see. I You're going to need mozzarella cheese, so you can put that down, or you can wrap it around the chicken if you want, or you can put it down onto the croissant. So this is the first way that I did it. Found this a little bit to be more difficult to do, to try to wrap everything around and get it into the croissant. And then the croissant was a little big. See, it's a little wide. So my second attempt to improve this was I put the chicken down and then the parm on top of it still. And then I'm like, why don't I just like push it in? And I didn't have like shaved Parmesan cheese. I had just a whole block of it, so I cut it into small pieces and tried to roll it up, and still was kind of cumbersome. So let me show you the third way I did it that I think worked a lot better. You put the cheese down, the Parmesan cheese down first, and press it in, and then take a piece of the mozzarella. I didn't use shredded, I used slices, and I took a piece of it, and then I rolled the chicken into it and then wrapped the croissant around the piece of chicken, and that worked a lot better. So you just go ahead and keep doing the process, figure out which works best for you. You can even just put all the cheese down and then slice them and then roll the chicken into as well. Really just play with it and see what works for you. And then once they're done, you go ahead and bake them for 15 to 20 minutes until they're golden brown, and they will look delicious like this. And you're not going to want to forget to have a marinara sauce. Get your fresh marinara, make your own, or just buy it, and you'll have that for dunking your chicken parm, and it'll be delicious. Let me know in the comments how you did it and how it tasted and what you recommend. You can add a little more seasoning, Italian seasoning, and that'll take it up another level too. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.